Hello to all of you guys. Today we are going to show you the best factory machinery videos that you will enjoy watching. This is the first time you will see these wonderful machines. If you want more such videos to come. If you are wondering how gas or propane cylinders are made, the ones we use in our kitchen or at workplace, you have come to the right video to learn exactly the same. In this video we go step by step in the process of how gas cylinders are manufactured and the different steps involved. A gas cylinder is a pressure vessel for storage and containment of gases at above atmospheric pressure. High pressure gas cylinders are also called bottles. Inside the cylinder the stored contents may be in a state of compressed gas, vapor over liquid, supercritical fluid, or dissolved in a substrate material, depending on the physical characteristics of the contents. The machinery industry or machinery industry is the basic industry sector that meets the machinery manufacturing and maintenance needs for industrial branches that operate economically in areas such as agriculture, transportation and defense. This sector, which traditionally serves in the field of heavy industry, is accepted as a part of light industry by companies doing business in today's free markets. The machinery industry provides the production of various technology equipment, from electronic devices to automobiles and airplanes, as well as the means of production in agriculture, mining and construction enterprises, and many of the equipment necessary for public service. It is seen that the use of plastic pipes is gaining importance day by day due to different reasons, such as developments in the construction sector, clean water, wastewater, drainage, increase in natural gas distribution networks, and smart irrigation in agriculture. Research has revealed that the rate of use of plastic pipes in the world increases by 6 to 7% every year. Therefore, the production of plastic pipes is also extremely important. You will better witness how plastic pipes are produced in this video. Stainless steel cookware is used by many people in the world, and it is a preferred product when cooking. Meals are cooked more delicious and healthy with stainless steel products. Stainless steel cooking products have become popular for the reason that the increasing awareness of the users over time and more care for their health. As a result of this popularity, many companies have begun to produce stainless steel cookware. As the production area expanded, costs decreased and new and different techniques started to be applied in their production. Cookware production line offers special production systems for cookware and kitchen tools manufacturing. binding wire is used for tying the rebar so that it is held in its position firmly without any displacement. We provide the rebars and stirrups at a proper center to center distance from each other, as per the design calculation and specification. When we place the green concrete and vibrate them, the rebar should not be shifted from its given position. So the binding wires of the proper gauge are used to tie the rebar firmly with one another. Offered machine is exclusively manufactured by our highly experienced professionals using the best grade components and modern technology. We also ensure that our range is free from any defects and ideal for uses. Since the mechanical properties of pure iron are low, iron alloys are generally preferred in production. The most commonly used iron alloys are cast iron and steel. The main alloying element of iron alloys is carbon, and the carbon content determines the type of iron. If the carbon ratio in iron is between 0.2 to 2%, it is called steel. If it is between 2 to 6.65%, it is called steel. Furnaces called blast furnaces are needed for the production of iron and steel from iron ore. Apart from these factories, companies that produce iron and steel make production using scrap iron and steel.